Yo guys, and welcome back to a new stream here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new stream here once again today on the channel. And guys, the reason why I started this stream here is because we are seeing the confirmation for the breakout for the Ethereum and the Bitcoin pair, and of course this exact target was discussed in the video earlier today. We were uploading a video here, but all the Ethereum holders have to see this because we were seeing a very significant inverse head and shoulders on the Ethereum pair, and we are right now already having a retest of the certain level of the level that we wanted to see getting retested on. And since the point of the retest, we are already seeing a 3.3% surge, and this looks absolutely beautiful. We're currently trading on $2,500 US. We are definitely going towards levels around the $2,760 US in my opinion, if I'm looking to the specific price target, coming together as well with the W recovery. So it all makes sense right now what we are seeing. I do think that the coming hours will be extremely bullish for the price action of Ethereum, as well having this retest earlier today, yesterday. And right now with the inverse head and shoulders, of course, beautiful playing out here. We can be definitely creating some more volatility towards the upside. So that was the main reason why I thought, okay, I have to go live right now. I have to discuss this all with you guys. And I see everyone tuning in here. I see N Milish tuning in here. I see Victor tuning in here. Joshua, Giovanacci. Jason saying bloody money incoming. Let's see. I don't think that there will be a lot of volume getting traded today. So no, I don't think that will be a bloody Monday. I see Yoop tuning in as well. You're saying hi, Dan. Thank you so much, man. Ethereum to 500. I disagree right away. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again to the channel here. We are going to discuss, of course, all the cryptocurrencies here that we are, of course, willing to discuss, what you guys really want me to discuss. And of course, there's plenty enough of things to discuss every single day here. I wish I had more than 24 hours a day, but unfortunately I don't. So yes, earlier today, of course, we were uploading a special video about Bitcoin and Ethereum that we were seeing, of course, a possibility for an inverse head and shoulders playing out here. And if we're looking to the Bitcoin chart right now, let me get a clear chart in front of me. If we're looking to the Bitcoin chart, we were not seeing the breakout yet here. But we are right now seeing the exact significance that I've been waiting for several hours right now. Of course, on the Ethereum pair, we already reached it, but you can see over here on the price action of Bitcoin, we are also right now, of course, at this price target where we can be maybe seeing possibility for a breakout. And of course, this breakout can be pushing up the price very significantly as well for Bitcoin. But yeah, just like I showed you earlier as well already, on the Ethereum pair, we already are seeing a breakout and we are already creating more volatility towards the upside. So yeah, it looks extremely beautiful here. I can't wait to see how this will be ending. And of course, that is also the main reason why we're live. Ethereum, let me see. Ethereum to 3K, indeed. Indeed. I mean, the 3K is definitely doable for Ethereum. I mean, guys, the fact here is that we are currently looking out for Ethereum. Let me discuss Ethereum here particularly for you guys. I mean, for Ethereum, we're definitely looking for a W recovery right now. This W recovery will be showing more volatility in the coming days here. I do think that we will be going at least towards the 3K target to $2,900 US target to reach this horizontal level of support and resistance. And yeah, right now coming together with the inverse head and shoulders right now, already breaking out towards the upside, closing a new one only candle above it. Of course, creating volatility, creating the confirmations that we have been waiting for. This looks good. This looks good here, and we can be potentially going towards higher targets. So yeah, for me, there's no reason to be bearish on the market. And guys, yesterday as well here on my Instagram, I was doing a quick story time about you guys. I was doing a quick story time here on my Instagram. I was talking about why we are seeing this Bitcoin drop off here and why you don't want to be on the wrong side right now here. I mean, guys, the fact here is, and this is a thing that I quickly want to be saying here before going in further into the charts here, guys. The fact here is that so many people right now are bearish on Bitcoin. People are bearish on Ethereum, on crypto YouTube. And the fact that all these people are saying all over the internet, I am selling this, I'm selling that, it's just giving me an opportunity to buy. Because once there is blood in the street, you want to be accumulating. You want to be buying. You want to be buying into the fear. And it sounds very easy for me to say so, but it is definitely the truth here. And people are saying, we are Rover for Bitcoin. Look to the daily candles. We are in a daily downtrend. Rover, we are looking extremely bearish. Rover, we're trading below the daily EMA. Rover, we are trading below the EMA ribbon on the daily. We are trading below key indicators. And then I can only say to you one thing here. Yeah, we are having a death cross. But guys, these calculations are all based on Bitcoin 2013, 2017. These are old calculations that we are basing our facts on. And because we were trading above them in the 2017 and 2013 bull market was, of course, absolutely good. It was absolutely good here. And the reason why we are right now trading below it is because all these people in the market, they were expecting, oh, Bitcoin is only going to drop 20 or 30% maximum because this is different in this cycle. There will be less volatility because the market cap is higher. No, that's not true. That is not true. And the reason why that's not true here is because I've been saying it so many times to you guys. Probably you guys already know it, that I think like this. But in 2017 and 2013, we were not having open interest. And right now we do have open interest. And this is the whole difference that we are seeing here. We are seeing billions and billions and billions US dollars going into open interest as well, with the futures getting launched, etc. But the open interest, of course, being so high, can be also providing these whales to move really the prices more significantly. They have more influence on the chart. They have more influence on the price action because there are more people betting for higher prices for Bitcoin. And of course, if they are seeing so, they only need a certain amount of money to drop the open interest and see at the significant drop of the open interest, of course, corrected by approximately $3 billion US dollars. They are just having so much influence because of the open interest. And that is also the reason why these drop-offs are more significant. And this is also the reason why we are right now trading below these indicators from the past, because we are seeing more volatility because the open interest is higher and the whales have more power to push prices lower. And this is also so at the moment that we are talking about, this is also driving more fear into the market. So, I mean, yeah, you can really decide what you want to do yourself here. But I mean, I won't be surprised if we're going to trade around the 60K in just a matter from 60 to 90 days from here on. I already think, yeah, maybe this month we'll be seeing some more consolidation. But I think for sure in June we're going to see some higher rises towards the upside. I don't necessarily anticipate lower prices. And of course, for the people that are saying the bull market is over, I totally disagree here. We are just getting started. We are reaccumulating for a second. And just like I told you earlier as well here, the fact that almost all these YouTubers, that all these people on the internet are extremely bearish on Bitcoin is just making me feel very excited. I mean, people are saying, oh, I sold everything, I sold this or sold that. But you don't know. If everyone is bearish, I want to be bullish. If everyone is extremely greedy, I want to be bearish. I mean, it's just how the market works here. And you don't want to be, of course, on the wrong side here, because if you're on the wrong side, you're absolutely going to go to Rex City. And of course, the last thing that I want to be doing here is going to Rex City. And of course, yeah, the bearish crossover is pretty unfortunate for Bitcoin to see here, but this is really necessarily a thing that's making me flip extreme bearish. No, completely not true here. And M. Miller is saying something here. Crypto Rover, what are your thoughts on the weekly MACD? Let me go to the MACD real quickly for you, man. But yeah, I mean, guys, please don't fall for the FUD here. Once every single one on the internet is saying, I'm selling, it's just making me feel very exciting about the charts. Because once everyone is selling, I will be buying at least. So what do you think about the weekly MACD here? I mean, yeah, the weekly MACD is, of course, signifying that we are starting a downtrend. That's definitely no doubt that I'm seeing this. And of course, we've never seen such a high rise towards the upside. So this correction is also very quickly significant. So what are my basic thoughts about it? We are correcting, but we can start a higher low structure and we can continue from there on. We will be definitely correcting a little bit towards the downside. We just closed a new weekly candle as well here. But what do I think about it? Yeah, it just shows me a significant correction. On the weekly, we can already see a trend reversal. So the weekly still looks not good. That's for sure. It's not looking good. The daily looks to be, of course, shifting its trend here. I mean, we were setting a higher high here, and we were setting a lower. We were in a lower low trajectory. You can see here lower lows getting formed the whole time here on the daily MACD here. But the daily MACD is about to have a bullish crossover, guys. The last time that we were seeing a bullish crossover was approximately on the 29th of April. But right now we are about to see another bullish crossover. Oh, my head is in front of it. I'm sorry, but we are about to see another bullish crossover on the daily MACD. This can be pushing up the price, of course. We've been in a downtrend for the past, approximately 1 month here on the MACD daily candles. But we will be definitely seeing a reversal anytime soon here, in my opinion. We've been in a downtrend several days right now, but we can be, of course, starting a new uptrend here. And in order to do so, I want to be seeing this high getting taken out here. I want to be seeing a higher high getting formed here, lower high, and then we can be looking for higher prices, of course. So, yeah. Daily MACD not necessarily looking extremely bearish with the bullish crossover. We can be going for some higher prices anytime soon here. So, yeah, I feel very excited about it. And as well for Bitcoin, guys. Yeah, we are creating this continuation pattern. Can we be breaking towards the downside? For sure. Can we be breaking towards the upside? Also for sure. So, yeah. I will be really looking on which direction we're going to break towards. What is more likely? More likely is a break towards the downside. But what do I expect? A break towards the upside, because I do think there's so much fear in the market that we will be pushing up the prices once again here. Big players are, of course, still benefiting from the drop-offs. Once everyone is anticipating a certain level, it will be not getting reached here. Everyone is anticipating these lower targets. There's so much fight in the market. There's so much blood in the street. There are so many people on the internet extremely bearish. It's just making me feel extremely excited, of course. So let me see. You're the only YouTuber that is saying this stuff here. Everyone else says that Bitcoin is going down to 20K. Why is this? I mean, I just explained it. I think everyone is saying that Bitcoin is going back to 20K, and that is simply because we are trading below the key indicators. And this is, of course, making the most amount of people bear. Of course, I'm also a technical analyst, and I like to look at the key indicators, etc. But of course, I also have to adapt my thoughts here. I will be not trading short if it's not smart, right? If it's not smart, because yeah, I look at the charts. For sure, I look at the charts. But I like to look a little bit further. I like to as well look at the on-chain data and, of course, see why this drop-off happened. I want to be knowing why it happened. And, of course, I want to be finding a theory. I want to be finding a clue why it is right now different than the times before. Yeah, of course, I just explained my theory. I've been explaining it multiple times here about the open interest theory, and I've never heard anyone talking about the open interest theory on Bitcoin ever before on crypto YouTube. And we've been really talking a lot about it. And if people are going to call this one once the drop-off is over, it was all because of the open interest. You have to know who you're from, because yeah, we've been really seeing this here. We've been really seeing, of course, this drop-off, and I think the drop-offs are right now in this bull market more significant, and we can really, if we're going to go higher, if we're going to go to 100K, the corrections will be still extremely volatile. They will be still extremely strong here, because the open interest is just probably going to go sky high once again. The euphoria will be still entering the market, and that's a thing that I know for sure. There will be another euphoria run-up, and if you're don't know what a euphoria run-up is here, it's basically this run-up over here. Everyone thought, okay, Bitcoin is not going to stop. It's only going up. It's only going up. Let's long. And everyone was becoming too greedy. And that run-up will be happening again. I know for sure in the next run-up here will be going towards 100K. But you can't go up in a straight line. That's just not how it works. It's not how it works. And of course, this correction, the open interest, the drop in open interest, just explains all of this correction. It explains it all, in my opinion. And it makes just all these things very clear for me. And for the people that don't like to look at on-chain data, I think you're absolutely on the wrong side here, because you want to be seeing what's on-chain happening with Bitcoin as well here. And as well, people are bearish on Bitcoin, but for all the people that are right now bearish on Bitcoin, why were you bullish on Bitcoin while sitting on the 60K? Because once we were sitting on 60K, no one was bearish on Bitcoin. No one was bearish. Of course, maybe a few of them, but probably all the bears in the chat right now were still bullish by then. And why were they bullish? I don't know, because right now they are bearish because prices are dropping. Are you emotionally are you attaching your emotions to Bitcoin? I don't know. Maybe you are. And besides that, yeah, the fundamentals, guys, have not changed for a single bit here. People think, oh, the China FUD. It's China who's banning, etc. No, it's not China. It's the same news that they're repeating over and over again. Only you are falling for the fear. I mean, guys, it's just so. I just can't stress enough about it that so many people disagree with not buying the dip right now. And I mean, yeah, of course, I always say to all my friends and family, I always say, no, don't go all in right now. Don't go all in. It's definitely the worst thing that you can do right now. Just make sure to just DCA, dollar cost average, into the market, because yeah, you never know it for sure, but there can always be another shakeout. And That's the reason why you can better dollar cost average into the market. But one thing that I know for sure here is that we're extremely close to a bottom. And as well, if you're looking to just market structures, an ABC correction is also very likely to play out here. And we are already seeing 2 waves towards the downside. And of course, we can be looking for potential higher prices, especially with a W, typical for reversal signal getting formed here, guys. You don't want to be on the wrong side here. And by the way, guys, if you like this kind of content, make sure to right away as well smash up the like button. It would be amazing if you're doing so. We're currently having 90 likes. Will be amazing if we can, of course, smash it up to 200 maybe, guys. Only taking a few seconds of your time will be, of course, very helpful if you're going to do so. And for all the people that just tuned in here, we were uploading a video just exactly 2 hours ago here on the channel. And on this video, I mean, I said 2 hours, only 1 hour, 2 hours ago, we were uploading this video that we were seeing, of course, inverse head and shoulders breakout on the Ethereum compared to US dollar pair. And right now we are seeing the volatility getting created here. Since calling this one, we've been already up 2.8% here, but our price target is still a 13.5% surge here. And of course, all the details were explained in this video uploading earlier today. So that is also a reason why you want to be ringing the bell notification to the channel, guys. But let me see what the chat is currently saying here. He's saying it's going to take a while before... but does expect a 6-figure Bitcoin by the end of the cycle. He says the cycle may be extended much longer into the next calendar year. I mean, I have to agree. I think the cycle will be way longer, and my main reason here to say the cycle will be this time a little bit longer here is because of the money printing. I think that's the main scenario why I do think the cycle will be extending longer, and as well with the institutional interest. So Bitcoin is the future. I mean, yeah, if you were bullish on Bitcoin on 60K, I mean, if you're willing to buy into Bitcoin, don't look at the price. Don't look at the price, because you're buying into the future. You're buying into the fundamental worth. And especially buying Bitcoin for 36K is extremely cheap. I mean, everyone was praying to see it 30. I mean, everyone was praying to see a Bitcoin trading below the 40K to buy some cheap Bitcoin. And right now you're getting the opportunity, and you're the one who's right now not embracing the opportunity. We're in a bear market. I disagree, like I told you before. Why you always talk so fast? I will be trying to slow down even more, bro. I mean, the reason why I talk so fast here is because I get too overexcited. What are your views on XRP? We'll be going into XRP in a second once again here. Yeah, I'm loving XRP because XRP is going to spike out of nowhere, and XRP can be exploding very quickly. But I will be, of course, discussing all the charts here in a second here. 4 to 8 months here, guys. Let me drop me right now in the live chat. What is your time frame? On which time frame are we going to see a new all-time high? Let me see. Let me know in the chat. Check your portfolio next year. I mean, for sure. If you're just scared, check your portfolio just in a year, and you will be definitely in a profit, bro. BTC is at the critical level to break the 3-day high. Please analyze the 3-day high. What do you mean? We've been already. I mean, the Bitcoin critical level. What I'm currently looking at is especially on the 1 day. The 1 hour, and the 1 hour, of course, for Bitcoin, of course, is also forming this inverse head and shoulders. Also a typical bullish pattern, and we can be seeing a breakout in the coming 42 minutes here. So, yeah, main reason why I'm streaming right now here is, of course, because I want to be sharing your the thoughts here, and maybe I will be even opening a small trade here. I mean, I really want to be maybe doing it tomorrow, because today is still a national day in America. They are still having a special day. Why the volume will be also probably trading a little bit lower. But yeah, of course, very exciting what we are having here. We can be definitely opening a trade maybe. I will be maybe looking to open a trade here today altogether. We'll be keeping you guys, of course, up to date if I'm going to open something. I just look at my account, and maybe I will be setting up some limit orders on Bybit. And of course, if you want to be joining me, I mean, if we're going to do a trade, I will be trying to do it live here altogether, so I can show you guys how to do it. And of course, I already am working on maybe as well. I'm currently working as well. If we're, of course, seeing a breakout on this specific pattern, guys, I will be working to open a swing trade position, because the reason all these people are willing to trade once Bitcoin is sitting on 60K, they're willing to trade with swings. But guys, my reason why I will be trading right now here, because I don't always trade here. I'm recently only really into swing trading. I don't scalp trade anymore that much. I'm really into the longer swing trades, because it's more profitable and more easy to do, and also less stressful. And I will be looking for swing trades, and the reason why here is as well because on-chain data, guys. On-chain data is, of course, also giving us a signal. Funding rates are sitting low. A lot of people on trades. This is your opportunity, Rover, to accumulate a swing trade position. you're almost even getting paid to be in a position. That's the best thing that you can have here. So, I mean, people are willing to pay, 12% funding rates here. Extreme high funding rates, of course, but right now we're sitting extreme low in funding rates, so it's absolutely almost free to open a trade here. That is, of course, giving me a signal. Okay, now a lot of people are on trades right now. It is a good time to open a swing trade, and of course, you want to be early if you're opening swing trades, just like you did over here. You could have the funding rate dipped negative, and it surged right away towards the 57k from off the 30k here. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking to open with real big positions right now. We'll keep you guys, of course, up to date about what I'm exactly going to do here with my trades here on Bitcoin. And of course, I will be definitely looking to swing trade. And like I told you before, I will be not shorting the market because I'm not going to Rex City. And of course, I will be only trading a breakout. I will be taking it very safe here because I feel responsible, of course. And if I'm opening a trade, the thing that you can be expecting from me, or I will be uploading a video on YouTube, or I will be doing it in the stream here. But guys, definitely you can be keeping your eyes set on the channel here. Make sure to ring the bell notification if you're willing to join me on a future trade anytime soon here. And you can already join the Bybit Brawl as well here, the trading competition. If you also want to be benefiting from the extra BTC prize pool, you can get some extra rewards as well here if you're also going to sign up with this one. I mean, highest link in the description. Only 23 more of you guys to join to get this prize pool up to 0.3 Bitcoin. So it will be amazing if you're going to join. So. And of course, you don't even need a lot of initial to join it. And of course, you can still gain a lot of Bitcoin. You don't need a lot of Bitcoin to become number one. It's all about P&L. It's only about percentage. So yeah, very exciting, of course, to see. I've been already scaling since the 2,455. I mean, you're absolutely crushing it. Let me see. Ethereum comeback, baby. I mean, Ethereum is looking good, guys. We've been warning you guys earlier today. We've been warning you guys earlier today in the upload on the channel. We've been warning you guys that we were looking for an inverse head and shoulders. And this warning was, of course, completely correct here. We are not warning you guys for nothing here. Ethereum was looking extremely good here. We were telling this to you guys. We are looking for an inverse head and shoulders here. This can be giving us a potential price target around the 28,900 US. So yeah, make sure to be prepared here. Here you can see we were not seeing the breakout yet here, and that's the reason I always try to upload these videos as soon as possible before we are seeing a breakout, so I can get you guys all into this trade as well here. So that is the reason why you don't want to be missing out these videos that we are uploading on the channel, guys. So let me know if you have some questions for me here. Use a VPN. What do you mean? I can't use Bybit. Yeah, if you can't use Bybit, you can be using a VPN indeed. But otherwise, you can also sign up with Femex. Only Femex don't have a competition right now, and you're going to miss out on some potential BTC. So yeah, you can be signing up as well with a VPN, bro. Guys, do you want me to discuss Xrp? Let me know in this. Let me know in the chat here. Let me see. Let me see. Yes, you have, Crypto Rover. Thanks for always coming back to us with these sensitive tips. I mean, guys, it's so lovely because I heard always in the chat, people are saying, oh, Rover, you're the only one left on YouTube who's bullish. And I mean, I don't want to be always, because I'm not always bullish on Bitcoin. That's the thing that you know probably already on the channel. I'm always saying realistic. If we're seeing bearish structures getting unfold on higher prices, I will be bearish as well. But the fact here is that right now everyone is so bearish on Bitcoin. It's just making me laugh. And especially once we're going to increase in valuation, who is going to laugh then? Who is going to laugh then here? I think they will be laughing the less. So Ethereum prediction, if there is a breakout. I mean, this breakout will be pushing up the price towards the approximately 2,760 US. As well, a thing that you can see right now on the 1 hour, we are forming an upper slope resistance line on the RSI. Also an upper sloping support line on the RSI. You can see here this line is, of course, holding up the trend towards the upside. I see ADA and XRP requests coming in here. We'll be going into it in a second. But yeah, Ethereum, nothing to worry about, bros. As well with this W structure still potentially playing out here. You can be also approaching it differently, and you can see, yeah, we are still getting supported by these levels. There's absolutely no reason to panic right now. Higher lows getting formed on the 4 hour, guys. Bright days ahead of us. CME as well, guys. If we're looking to the CME chart, we'll be going into XRP in a second. But guys, as well, if you look to the CME chart, no gaps were getting created last weekend. Extremely exciting, of course. And still have potential gaps towards the upside of course, around the 61.3k here. Do I really anticipate gaps? No, I don't. But yeah, definitely, for the ones who are anticipating gaps here, you have some more gaps towards the upside, and this can be really helping us to push up the price a little bit more. But guys, let me discuss XRP. Because yes, XRP has been breaking through our critical level of resistance. And this is, of course, a very important thing to see. We've been discussing XRP several times here on the channel, and the past 6 hours, it has been showing us very good follow-through here. So DJ tuning in here. Medic still beast mode. We'll be getting to Medic in a second, DJ. Raymond as well tuning in here. Both having the yellow logo here. Absolutely cool. Eddie Yope is saying, Rover, I assume you bought Labs. I did. Yesterday already, Eddie Yope, I was saying it to all the viewers. I bought indeed into Labs. Very exciting, of course, what we are having. And yeah, I like the project, of course. I know also it's extremely oversold right now. That's also the main reason why I bought into it for an average price around the 1.4 cents here. Bought into Labs here, absolutely crushing it. Already standing a little bit higher, if I say it correctly. Labs Group. No, it's staying a little bit lower right now, but I mean, I don't look for the immediate short term here. Bought at 1.4 cents here, but I mean, still holding strong here. It has been, of course, decreases so significantly from the 14 cents here, of course. Right now, I'm getting approximately a 90% still off. So yeah, I mean, I'm definitely benefiting from it. But for XRP, guys, we are seeing a breakout here. You can be approaching this chart maybe as a symmetrical triangle. Not my most favorite one because I don't really like the touch points on the lower side here. There's not a lot of significance, but yeah, if you're looking for a potential breakout here, you can be, let me draw with a different line over here. You can be looking for potential targets around the, $1.34 there. And this also comes together with this insane horizontal level of support and resistance. So yeah, I do think that we will be creating some more volatility towards the upside for XRP. So yeah, all the XRP holders, make sure to be prepared for a little bit of a move towards the upside. It looks very exciting, of course, to see, and I can't wait to see where we're heading towards. XRP can be creating more volatility, trading above the $1 once again here. Looks strong here. All the people that are not exposed to XRP yet here, you're probably going to miss out on huge potential rewards here. So that is also the reason why I'm saying, please, you don't want to be missing out on XRP. You can see here also continuation pattern getting formed on the XRP compared to Bitcoin chart, and as well. Yeah, guys, like I told you before as well, XRP, you have to know how the market structure works here. I bought more into XRP because I don't want to be missing out on the future gains here, and we know how the behavior of XRP always is here, and we've been calling XRP several times here on the channel, and we've been always saying XRP is known for these big spikes and big drop-offs. So, yeah, you decide where you're on. But, I mean, won't be surprised if we're going to see literally a month where XRP is going to increase 600% or so and really take back to territory compared to Ethereum. And as well, the lawsuit looks extremely good here. Can't wait to see how this will be going as well. I have some other fellow Dutchies, Eth Btc, also special one who's always talking about the XRP space. I've been talking a lot with him, and of course I've been investigating the case as well with the SEC and Ripple. Of course, it looks extremely good here. I know the behavior of Ripple. I don't want to be missing out on it. I will be, of course, benefiting from the huge volatility in XRP. That's the reason why you want to be scooping up some free XRP, especially because it was looking very strong. But of course, Bitcoin corrected with it. But there's absolutely no reason for me to panic here on XRP. I will be still accumulating more here, and as well with the price target sitting around the $1.34 here, we can be potentially going for some higher targets. So yeah, I definitely look forward to see where XRP is going to head towards. And besides that, guys, I quickly want to ask you guys for a favor, because guys, we're exactly 2 subscribers away right now. Before reaching the 48.4k subscribers, it would be amazing if you guys can right now smash up that subscriber button. And as well, guys, I mean, you can smash up the subscribe button because you want to support channel, but also if you're right away ringing the bell notification, you're not going to miss out on these very time-related updates here. What we were doing, and of course, we exactly predicted already the Ethereum breakout here. We also exactly predicted this one, and of course we are a realistic channel that of course will be keeping you guys up to date once we're going to continue further and further towards the upside. For all Moon holders, check out Not Safe Moon. No man, please don't do so. Don't promote your own coins over here. The project aims to give more information about Moon tokens and let you give more educated guesses. I mean, I always say to everyone who's holding Moon tokens, don't buy into it, because I don't think it's a good thing to do so. You're buying into S coins. 90% is getting extremely poor. 10% is getting extremely rich here. You want to be extremely careful with all these Moon coins. And I mean, yeah, if you really want to do so, check it out. But I mean, definitely should not recommend Moon coins, guys. Please be careful. Better invest your money in good assets like coins with fundamental worth, because all these Moon coins, I mean, literally, if you're having $100 you can be buying, you can be creating your own coin. So you want to be extremely careful on the internet. You want to be extremely careful in the cryptocurrency space to not get wrecked here, and especially if you're looking for coins on the Binance Smart Chain. you want to be careful because literally, like I told you before, for $100 you can create your own coin. And literally, boys and girls who are only 16 years old here are also creating their own coins, and they're texting me, etc. If they ask me, can you promote this? No, definitely not definitely not going to do it. So please be careful with everything what you read and hear on the internet, especially these moon coins. I don't like it. Rover, shall I buy back into ADA or wait? I mean, let me discuss ADA for you guys a second here. Let me discuss ADA here so we can right away clarify this up here. So guys, as well, tell me an entry point for ADA and Medic. So guys, let's first talk a little bit about ADA. After that, we will be, of course, more going into Medic. And guys, in the meantime, make sure to as well here, smash up the likes here. And by the way, yes, we reached the 48.4K here, guys. Thank you so much for smashing it up. But guys, make sure to smash up the likes right now. It will be amazing if we can do so. Currently having 220 likes. I think we can definitely reach a higher target here in terms of the likes here. So, yeah, looks extremely exciting here. But guys, what can we see right now on the 4-hourly time frame on the price action of a Cardano? You can see over here, we are looks to be forming some kind of an symmetrical triangle over here. We are forming a symmetrical triangle, and this looks, of course, extremely exciting. We can be, of course, looking for potential higher prices here for the price action of Cardano. Also, potential lower prices, of course, can always break either direction. But, of course, if I'm looking to this specific pattern in a clear way here, yeah, we formed a downtrend here, forming a symmetrical triangle after a move down here. It's just more likely to see this breakout towards the downside. But once again, as well, saying this to you guys, guys, you have to know it. If Bitcoin is going to break up here, it will be definitely Cardano is going to follow, and it will be probably following in a more rapid pace here. So make sure to be prepared for that as well here. But Cardano, of course, looking extremely strong here. Cardano looks to be consolidating as well. We have been talking about these levels around the $1.36 there. We've been exactly predicting this level as major support, and $1.36 here. Let me draw this correctly. You can see here, since then we surged approximately 23% here. Right now it's already a 20% surge from that point here. So yeah, Cardano is looking good here. Can't wait to see where it is heading towards. And of course, the most exciting charts here are definitely the Cardano compared to Ethereum chart and the Bitcoin chart. So Cardano compared to Ethereum is right now decreasing a little bit here. Is this necessarily bad? I mean, if we're going to get a retest, this will be only providing more fuel towards the market. So no, it is definitely not a bad thing to see here. Cardano can be absolutely going for higher prices, of course, anytime soon here. You want to be prepared for it. Cardano compared to Ethereum right now losing a little bit of valuation because Ethereum is showing us more strength here. But in general, it will be Cardano that will be fighting back anytime soon here. Like I told you before, if we're going to have a retest of this certain level, providing more fuel towards the market, looks extremely good here. Can't wait to see how this will be ending. As well for the Cardano compared to Bitcoin pair, we've been seeing the breakout, but guys, just like you can see over here, this is of course a breakout of the 4 hourly candles. It usually tends to take some time here before really seeing a breakout. Cardano compared to Bitcoin, you want to be extremely careful with it. And Cardano compared to Bitcoin, it usually tends to take some time to really show us the volatility towards either direction. But definitely we are seeing a breakout. It will be, of course, showing us more volatility in the coming days here. Cardano has been also in the US dollar pair consolidating right now. And in general, it's a good time to buy Cardano. I think still will be saying this, guys. You always want to be DCAing into the market, dollar cost average into the market, so you're buying the highs and lows. And as well for Cardano right now, I don't think it's a bad time to accumulate something. Of course, don't go all in here, but of course you can be absolutely cheap, buying up some cheap Cardano. I mean, people are panic. People are currently panicking that Cardano, oh, it's been falling so significantly, but still saying this, guys. We've been trading around these levels 23 days ago. Cardano is holding up very strong compared to Bitcoin. If you also look at the Bitcoin comparison, guys, does it look bad? No, we have been still in a very nice run up here, and we have been taking up more territory compared to Bitcoin on the Cardano chart. So, I feel very excited about Cardano. There's absolutely no reason for me to be bearish right now on Cardano. And of course, compared to Bitcoin, it's still taking up more valuation. It's still showing us a lot of strength here. And I think the run up for Cardano will be even huger and bigger and bigger. And for all the people that don't own any Cardano, I think you're going to miss out on very huge potential rewards here. And I just like to buy into coins like Cardano. I think it's a very good coin here. And if you're not holding it, I think you're going to miss out on very high potential rewards. So, hey, Brover, is it safe to buy levels for Ethereum, or are we going to see a 2K again? I mean, personally, like I told you before, I don't anticipate a 2K Ethereum. And guys, Ethereum is absolutely going for a rocket ship towards the upside. $2,520 US. Looks absolutely beautiful here. We've been calling really this perfect breakout since right now 3.6% volatility was getting created on this chart, but Ethereum is really looking good here in my opinion. Creating more volatile. And guys, let me know who of you watched this video and of course took a trade or accumulated some Ethereum. Let me know in the comment section right now here. It would be amazing if you took this trade here. I mean, yes, absolutely crushing it. Exactly like predicted, of course. Inverse initial is playing out right now. Of course, I do still want to be seeing the price target getting reached here as well. I think the price target will be getting reached here because it's coming together with the W recovery. And of course, this will be so extremely good for the chart. This will be so extremely good for the chart, and I can't wait to see how this will be ending. Ethereum right now trading on $2,520 US. This looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Let me see Ethereum for life. Indeed. I can give you some Cardinal predictions here. I mean, all my friends have been asking me as well, what is your Cardinal prediction by the end of the year here? And by the end of the year, I do see Cardinal at least trading around to $6. That's still a very conservative target. People think, oh, this is a crazy target, but you have to know Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space, it can be moving very quickly. And that is the reason why you want to be prepared for it. And as well, institutions are buying into Cardano, guys. Cardano is absolutely interesting and don't want to be missing it out. I'm all in on Ethereum. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let me see. I'm all. I have more Ethereum than ADA, but love ADA. I mean, I love them both. Of course, I do think that ADA is looking right now stronger than Ethereum, but Ethereum is looking stronger than Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, in general, I just feel very excited about Cardano and Ethereum. Of course, I love them both a lot. So yeah, very exciting. Zoom out. Realize everything is going to the moon. Buy cheese, hold 5 years. That's true. I mean, yeah. Once you're already in doubt here, once you're in fear, once you think the bull market is over, just zoom out, bro. I mean, is it really so bad? Is Ethereum really so bad as well, guys? We were trading on these levels literally 35 days ago, and people say, "Oh, it's over." No, it's not over. We just have a month setback. We just have a setback, and we're just, of course, shaking out all these weekends. And all the people that right now bearish are right now shaking out of the getting shaked out of the market, and that's the lovely part about it. Robert, can you look at the Bitcoin 50-minute chart? I can, but I mean, I'm not really into trading the 50-minute candles anymore. But yeah, I mean, I don't really see something very significant. Yeah, we are currently overextended. We can be looking for maybe a correction a little bit here. But yeah, we are pretty overextended on the 50-minute here right now. So, I mean, yeah, I don't really like to trade 50 minutes. I can look at some MACD indicators, of course. The 50-minute is definitely in an uptrend here. You can see higher high getting formed here, higher low getting formed as well, bullish crossover getting formed. So, yeah, it looks exciting, but I'm not really into trading the lower time frames. But guys, let me discuss Matic real quickly for all the Matic lovers right now. And guys, we have been once again, we were creating this falling wedge here. Yesterday discussed as well on the stream. Since then, we of course broke through this critical level of resistance once again here. Why I was really important, like I told you before yesterday. Really important to trade above this $1.77 here, because this is a major level of support that we have to hold on below us. And as you can see over here, previous resistance. And right now it's flipping into support. So this is beautiful to see here. Falling wedge can still potentially push up the price towards the $2.45 here. Another 31% increasement towards the upside. You want to be prepared for this one as well here. Looks extremely good here in my opinion. But still will be saying it. I do think if you're accumulating Matic right now, you're pretty late to the party. And I won't like to say this, of course, because I love Matic. I've made insane gains with it. We've been making good calls on Matic as well, around the 90 cents here. But still will be saying it. If you're going to accumulate your Matic right now, I think you're pretty late to the party, because it looks to be as well on the daily that we're only going to create more bearish divergence. And of course, if I'm seeing such things here, it's just not giving me the best opportunity to accumulate some. And I mean, I love it, but it is just showing less strength right now than before. And I always want to be on the coin that's going to give me the most amount of returns. And you can see once again on the Matic compared to Ethereum pair, getting rejected by the top side, the third rejection on the top side. But we know here on the channel, the more times we are testing certain levels of support and resistance, the more likely it will be that we're going to break through it. That's, of course, a fact. And we can be maybe right now looking for a potential ascending triangle. And this can be definitely pushing up the price for the Matic compared to Ethereum pair. In order, guys, if we're going to see this breakout towards the upside, yeah, we can be looking for higher targets. But first, I want to be seeing the breakthrough before accumulating, because if you're going to buy right now, you're buying into speculation. But I do want to see a breakout towards the upside. Otherwise, I can't flip extremely bullish right now on Matic. And as well for the Matic compared to Bitcoin pair here, I do want to be seeing as well this breakout getting created towards the upside on this chart as well. So yeah, we are creating definitely an uptrend right now. We already broke out of the symmetrical triangle. Let's see how this will be developing. As well over here, we are, of course, breaking out of the falling wedge here on the US dollar pair. We can be searching towards the $2.44 there. But first, want to be seeing it before, of course, flipping extremely bullish. Want to be careful because we are starting a downtrend on the 4-hourly RSI as well here. Momentum is cooling off definitely for Matic. Too many people are anticipating Matic to go to the moon right now. And I do think that you are pretty late to the party. And I do think you also have to think twice before accumulating. Because, guys, Matic right now is sitting on 11 billion market cap. Is it the best coin to make the most amount of gains right now? I don't know for sure. I do think that there are some other coins with higher potential rewards here. So yeah, you do want to be careful, of course. I love Matic, but still, it is a little bit skeptical to accumulate right now. If you already hold something already lower prices, should definitely say stick to it. But and of course have a stop loss in profit, but accumulating right now is too risky in my approach. But of course, definitely if Bitcoin is going to increase, it will be Matic that are going to follow. And I don't like I do like to see my community gain, right? So that's the reason why I want to be extremely careful with Matic right now. And yeah, I mean, I do love it, but I do want to be seeing some breakthroughs on this chart as well here. Matic compared to Ethereum, I want to be seeing the breakthrough of the top side of resistance. We have been correcting several times from off this level. So hope to see this breakout anytime soon coming towards us. So let's see. Will ADA take a dip, or is it okay to buy? I mean, just told you guys, if you want to be accumulating ADA, I should definitely not hesitate. I should be, of course, benefiting from the scenario that we are right now in. And what I should do with ADA here is just DCA, dollar cost average, into the market. 3-month prediction for Bitcoin, new all-time high. 3 months definitely. 3 months we are standing at the new all-time high. That's my prediction. Matic will be solid, but look into Ventum. It's actually better DeFi and it's much more undervalued. I mean, I know Ventum is been pretty undervalued recently. It's not been really performing that well. Where I really like Ventum. I really like Ventum. That's a thing that I already told you guys multiple times on the channel, and I would definitely like to. Accumulate some more. But yeah, I'm not really seeing a clear reversal structure right now. Of course, what we can be seeing right now, we're still lower highs getting created here. Higher low currently getting created on the daily candles. So that's of course pretty exciting. Let me remove all the drawings. We can be also looking for a potential resist line, what we are trading on right now. This potential resist line can be still pushing down the price here. Let's see if we can be seeing a breakup, because we are also forming an upper sloping support line. So yeah, Ventum can be showing us some volatility. Of course, it's more likely to see a breakdown of the symmetrical triangle because it's a continuation pattern, and this pattern was getting formed from a move towards the downside. And once you're creating a move towards the downside, the continuation pattern is just more likely to break towards the downside as well here. But just like I told you before, if Bitcoin is going to show us this strength, it will be it will be Ventum as well that's going to follow towards the upside. And yes, I do feel excited about the Ventum project. I don't think it's a bad project to hold here. I don't think it's, especially right now, after seeing such a 60% correction from the top side, to accumulate some Ventum. I mean, it's extremely cheap right now, and you're of course definitely going to miss out if you're not going to accumulate right now. But guys, the thing that you're also going to miss out on is if you're not going to subscribe to the channel right now here, guys, because we are very close already towards the 48.5k here, but we're also very close with reaching the 50k here. So guys, if you're new to the channel, if you haven't already ring the bell notification, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so right now here. I mean, hitting that subscriber button is completely free here, and you're also not going to miss out on these time-related updates that we are going to give for you guys. So, will be amazing if you're right now going to smash up that subscriber button, guys. We're very close with reaching the 50k here. Will be amazing if we can be maybe reaching it next week or near the end of the week here. I do think that we can do so. I mean, only 1,600 of you, 1,500 almost, of you guys have to hit that subscribe button. And of course, we are going to reach the 50k here. Can't wait to see once you're going to reach it, because 50k is the half point of 100k. And of course, we are going to crush the market altogether here. In 3 months, Bitcoin is at least going to sit at a new high, and you guys will be probably remembering me. So let's see what we'll be doing here. So Eddie Yope, you're saying, Rover, did you see Renus VK Indy 500, his car? Of course I did. I mean, I'm a huge car lover. I'm a huge, I'm myself I used to drive also some nice cars. So I always card it in the past for me. And as well, guys, a thing that I'm going to do here. I mean, there's a lot of personal stuff here. I'm going to drive probably Formula Predator. I don't know if you know it, but I'm really into racing, etc. So of course, if you're willing to see it, you can be also just follow me on Instagram. We'll be not talking about it in the stream because yeah, we are here to talk crypto and not about my personal life, right? So. I mean, yeah, you can follow me as well at CryptoRoverYT if you want to be following me over here. But Eth Btc, I know his car is lovely and definitely exciting guy here. I love him, and I've been talking with him a little bit here recently on my Instagram as well. So, of course, Renus is of course also from the Netherlands. I'm also Dutch, so very exciting. Of course, we'll be having, and definitely cool guy. Definitely cool guy. So, will this dip still go down towards the 40k, 30k? I mean. No, I mean, I'm currently not really anticipating a 30k Bitcoin, personally. I'm anticipating higher prices. We care about your personal life, buddy. Oh, that's cool, Crypto Aaron. Nice that you're tuning in here. Show the car, Rover. I mean, I recently got a new car as well here for myself, so also very exciting, of course, to see. But yeah, guys, I really... We'll be also driving Formula Predator in the future in 1 or 2 years. I'm working on it right now here. Very cool to see. Of course, if you're interested, just make sure to follow me on Instagram because there you will be just kept up to date about every single thing that we are going to do, of course. So, will there be further dumps? Guys, there will be always dumps in Bitcoin. There will be always drop-offs in Bitcoin. That's a fact. But will it be right now? The chances are very small. Can you look at XP? We already did a moment ago here. What's your Ethereum price in the short term? What's your Ethereum price prediction in the short term? My price prediction is the $2,760 for the coming, let's say, 24 to 48 hours. And this, of course, the breakout of the inverse initials that we were creating here on the Ethereum pair and as well on the Bitcoin pair, and I do think that we are going to reach the price target within 24 towards 48 hours. And of course, there's still not a surge of approximately 10% from here on that we're trading on. Can we get an Armin or Chesto, etc. appearance? I mean, that would be cool, of course. I follow Dutch people as well here. But those guys are very cool, of course. But maybe he can join the stream anytime soon here. Maybe he's also into Bitcoin. That would be amazing. But essentially, that would be cool. So, Crypto Aaron, have you take a look at Crypto.com? Let me do it. Stop making me jealous. Lucas saying as well in the chat here. I know you're loving it as well here. But let me go into Crypto.com indeed, man. Let me go into Crypto.com. So, Crypto, this is a big wick that we were creating just a moment ago here on the one and only time frame. So, yeah, Crypto.com, of course, has been correcting very significantly, just like all the other altcoins as well. Yeah, crypto, once Bitcoin is correcting, these coins are just following. And still, this is only making Crypto.com more undervalued as we're going to continue following. And, of course, we broke through this resistance line here on the 4-hourly candle, close above it, retraced towards this level, and, of course, found perfect support on it. But look at this. Crypto.com, I think it's trading around the P50 or so. I mean, it's trading pretty low right now in terms of market capitalization. On P34 here, I think it's pretty undervalued. And of course, the thing that you can be expecting, I do think that Crypto.com will be bouncing back very significantly as well with some new token burns that they're probably going to announce, because they are doing per 3 months they're going to do token burns. And the last one was in February. And of course, probably in June, we will be seeing another token burn for Crypto.com. So make sure to be prepared. I definitely think Crypto.com can be seeing these insane spikes once again towards the upside of maybe 100% or so. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it has been correcting very significantly. Let me remove all the drawings as well here. Let me set up a Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, it has been correcting very significantly, but do you really want to be going out of the market? I don't think that's a smart decision to do so. I will be definitely, probably you will be definitely missing out on huge potential rewards here. And as you can see as well here on the Fibonacci, you can see the 0.618 here providing major levels of resistance on the top side. And we are currently setting a higher low structure. We are setting higher highs already. So yeah, we can be looking maybe for potential reversal anytime soon here. Do feel very excited about it. Can't wait to see where it will be ending at, of course. And I mean, like I told you before, I mean, I was buying Crypto.com already extremely cheap here below the 8 cents here approximately, and I'm staking my Crypto.com the whole time here. I staked it, I set it tight for approximately 6 months here, so I'm not even able to sell it, and that's also not my intention because I'm here for the long run. I will be trying to gain more and more Crypto.com because I don't look at the valuation, I look at how much Crypto.com coins I have, and I will be, of course, adding more and more. And, of course, also just 2 months ago or 1 month ago, they launched their mainnet. They're becoming big, especially in the NFT space here. And the NFT hype run-up will be coming again in the future for Bitcoin. And, of course, if it will be coming back, I think Crypto.com will be benefiting from it quite a lot here. So I will be already looking forward to see how this will be ending, of course. But, yeah, Crypto.com definitely a very exciting asset, especially if I'm talking about long run. I mean, I invested in Crypto.com, and once I did this investment, I shared this with you guys, and I told everyone, okay, Crypto.com will be my investment for, let's say, 5 to 10 years. It's not a short-term investment, because I see the development in the, of course, the company Crypto.com. They're investing a lot of marketing, etc. They are really potential market leading. They are really having the potential to be the market leader in terms of the exchanges. So I look forward towards it. You can't leverage trade Crypto.com. That's also very exciting because it will be not having this insane, these drop-offs of these short or long squeezes. So, of course, that's very exciting to see. But yeah, Crypto.com, extremely exciting as it still will be holding on to it. And let's see what we'll be doing here. So, yeah, guys, exactly 9 minutes away before closing the new 1 hourly candle for Bitcoin. Let's see when we are going to close it, where we are going to close it especially. Let me see. Xrp Analysis at 24 minutes. Oh, thank you, Dr. Punch, for telling everyone that. So, yeah, 24 minutes, and you can go to the Xrp chart, of course. Yeah, we are seeing a beautiful breakout right now for Xrp, of course. I love it. And you guys know that I love Xrp as well here on the channel. Let me see, guys. Let's do a quick thought here, of course. We are going into June right now. CME expired. The futures expired last Friday. What are your expectations for the end of the week here? What are your expectations for this Friday? Let me know in the comment section right now. And of course, later today, we'll be probably also doing a community post maybe about it. I can do a community post and see what you guys think. And I also was asking you guys, what are you accumulating right now? 29% Bitcoin and 71% altcoins. So this is quite interesting. But this is also really showing me that there is more greed in altcoins. Of course, it can be giving you because there's more greed in altcoins, it can give you higher returns. But it's once again also, if the bull market is going to end, the altcoins are going to just hurt so much more than Bitcoin. Altcoins are getting hurt probably very strong. So yeah, you want to also think twice here. I think if we're coming close and close towards the end of the cycle, you want to be swapping more into Bitcoin, in my opinion. Swapping out some altcoins into Bitcoin is, in my approach, the better strategy that you can be using once we're, of course, going further and further into the cycle. But, of course, that's a thing to think later on. But definitely also important because the institutions are still loading on Bitcoin. And if you're not following the institutions, you're probably also going to miss out a lot. So yeah, I still think, altcoins can give us better returns, but you don't want to be forgetting Bitcoin in your portfolio. Let me see. I say 28K. Looking for lower prices. This is for the bulls, buy bears. Indeed. It was the week for the breakout. Yeah, guys, I think this week will be the week of the volatility for Bitcoin. This coming week will be the volatility week for Bitcoin. We will be seeing a lot of spikes and drop-offs in the price probably. So make sure to be prepared for this week. Will be extremely exciting. I would be saying 29.6K. I would say 42K is the underrated world saying. So yeah, there are a lot of mixed feelings here right now of course, in the chat here. A lot of people are saying different targets. Let me see. Let me see what you guys are having. And guys, by the way, here I see also we're currently having 331 likes here. We're having 331 likes, guys. Can we be smashing it up to 400 likes? Only 80 more likes to reach here. Let's see what we can do here. We're going to 0. That's not true, Idiop. Come on. I know you're better like this. What's your Bitcoin price target, please? I mean, it really depends which direction we're going to break towards. But yeah, I have 2 price targets, of course, for you. I'm of course more anticipating the bullish scenario here. I think or we are trading around to 50K by the end of the week, or we're trading around to 25 towards 20K by the end of the week. So yeah. I personally anticipate more levels towards the 50K here. As well, we've been talking a lot about the VPVR, the volume range here. You just want to be looking, of course, if we're going to break down here, there's not a lot of volume support. If we're going to break up here, there's not a lot of volume resistance. So yeah, either which way we're going to break towards, there will be volatility. And it will be coming this weekend. So let's see what we will be doing. Use the lock and load it. I mean, what the fuck? Rover, do you use Market Cipher? No, I don't. I can just use other indicators. Ethereum is not really an altcoin anymore. That's a pretty interesting saying. Let me see. If XRP wins the trail, that's huge for the crypto overall, and then we have Ethereum upgrades, ADA smart contracts, so bullish. I mean, and Miller, yeah, you're spitting facts in the chat here, and I mean, people are bearish, but the fundamentals have not changed, right? So that's pretty interesting. 37k resistance too hard. Yeah, 37.5k is a major level of resistance. You can see this blue box over here. Major level of resistance on the 4 hourly candles at least. Major level of resistance on the 4 hourly candles. So yeah, of course, this is the level that we have to be breaking through. As well, it's coming together as well with the EMA ribbon here. You can see. Let me remove the VPVR real quickly. You can see this level as well, 37.5k. It's coming together with the EMA ribbon. But guys, we have not really pushed through the EMA ribbon here on the 4 hourly one single time here. We have not been able to push through this level one single time here on the channel. Sorry, on the Bitcoin chart. So yeah, I would definitely love to see, of course, finally this breakthrough of the EMA ribbon. We've been getting corrections every single time once touching this level. Hopefully we can be finally seeing this breakthrough of this level as well to continue towards higher targets of the symmetrical triangle. Maybe towards tomorrow, maybe towards the end of the day, we can be then seeing the potential breakout. And of course, guys, we will be trading that. We will be trading that for sure. So yeah, that's the most exciting part about it. That's the most exciting part about it. And I already can't wait to see what we are going to do, of course. Let me see. Let's see. What do you guys have for me? We're about to go down. I disagree. I disagree. We gotta love the community. 50k Bitcoin. Everyone buys 50% discount, and people won't touch it. I mean, Cartago. I mean, yeah. I mean, I've been saying this several times here. It's so different. If we're standing on these higher stages, people are. I mean, this is once again the proof that Bitcoin is just a very emotional asset. This is once again the proof that Bitcoin is just, yeah, it's an extreme emotional asset because people. I mean, I see. I was getting a lot of super chats by then. A lot of people were sending super chats over here, and they were saying, "Oh, I wish Bitcoin." That was the thing that I was seeing a lot in the chat and as well in super chats, etc. We were trading on 65k, we were trading on 62k, etc. People were saying, "Oh, I wish Bitcoin was trading below the 40k again. I wish." And probably the people that were saying that by then, right now, are not watching anymore. They are not watching to the charts anymore, or these people are right now bearish because they think, "Oh, it's not good. It's not good." But the fact here is that the people that really were honest over there, because I was always saying over there, guys, if we're going to see such a significant correction. I mean, it will be shaking out a lot of people. That will be very good because, and I mean, with my community, the community that is following me, the community, the crypto rover community in Discord and Telegram, everywhere, I want them to be on the right side, right? I want to be having a profitable community, but of course, in the end of the day, it has to be like this. We have to be shaking out the weekends in order to continue higher. So, yeah, I do think it's very exciting. I do think. We are getting an insane good opportunity, and I've been explaining my thoughts about the open interest, etc., etc., and as well, that is of course the main reason why I do think it's very exciting, and the main reason why I do think we don't want to be missing out on this potential rewards right now. You definitely don't want to be missing out on it. If you're going to do so, you're definitely going to Rex City. Do you want to be going to Rex City? That's, of course, the question for me that I'm asking you here. As well, the funding rate sitting so low here. It's just right now looking like a very good opportunity. And as well here, the funding rates dropped back to levels around January 2021 here. And after that, you can see we were seeing these insane run-ups here. And guys, if we're going to see new prices here, I do think there will be, once again, higher levels of open interest getting formed here. And, of course, if the high open interest returns, yeah, people will be, of course, once again, I think, like I told you before, there will be a euphoria run-up once again. Yeah, you can be, of course, either buying the top or you can either buy the lows here. And I mean, for always the people that it doesn't make any sense here. You're only willing to buy Bitcoin once you're seeing green, once you're seeing new all-time highs. It doesn't make any sense here. You can be still buying cheaper. And probably if we're sitting at 50K, everyone is going to ask me, Rover, should I still buy here? There will be still some bears left there saying that we're going back to 20K. This is a dead cat bounce. I think the dead cat bounce will be... everyone's going to say it, but no, there will be not a dead cat bounce here. Still, people will be ignoring the fact here. But guys... I mean, you don't want to be on the wrong side. You still want to be dollar cost averaging into the market if you want to be benefiting from the current scenario. Don't miss out on it. Don't miss out on it. Rex City. Rex City sucks. Indeed, Charles. Rex City sucks. You don't want to be on Rex City. Absolutely the wrong side. Absolutely the wrong side of the market. And you don't want to be there. You don't want to be on Rex City. I mean, probably. Let me know if you've been there. Let me know if you've been there. But you don't want to be there, right? So, let me see. Let me see. Yeah, as well, someone is talking about the Fear and Greed Index hitting the levels of March 2020. Yeah, we've been discussing this also several times on the channel. I mean, the whole time that I'm streaming, I'm just trying to raise the awareness for people that look at these extreme levels of fear. For last week, 10 on the index. Yesterday, 10 on the index. Right now, 18 on the index. Extreme fear. Extreme fear. And you look at this. You look at this. You look at this. This February, January 2021. Extreme greed in the markets. Right now, look at this. You always have this period that you're staying at these fear stages for a while, and then out of nowhere you pump towards the upside. By the end of March, of course, by the beginning of May last year, 2020, of course, with the corona, with the pandemic crash, etc. You were also seeing the exact same playing out here. So yeah, you really decide on which side you're on here. But I mean, if you're speaking about the past, if you always have been accumulating in the drop-offs, if you have always been accumulating into the fear, you are just profitable. You are just profitable. And I mean, we know it. We have been seeing it on Twitter. I've been talking about it on Twitter. We know what Warren Buffett has been saying. Of course, Warren Buffett is, of course, for me, a guy that I look up to, right? Warren Buffett has already made it. He's been a very successful investor. Once there is blood in his trade, he always says, you want to be buying. Once everyone is in fear, you want to be greedy. Once everyone is in greed, you want to be fearful. It's just the saying of Warren Buffett. And I mean, I'm very inspired by him. And it is just... I'm just trying to convince you guys as well here. I'm trying to convince you guys to be on the right side. Because, yeah, like I said before, I want to be having a profitable community, right? Let me see. Bye, BTC. That's a very nice saying, Miller. Let me see. Let me see. Can we use Ethereum as an index for Matic to trade? Matic, I mean, please be careful with leverage, especially if you're willing to leverage trade Matic. You want to be careful, man. Still saying this, yeah, Matic. For all the people that are buying into Matic, still saying this. It's you want to be extremely careful right now with accumulating some Matic. It is pretty risky right now in my approach. It is pretty risky right now. Yeah, definitely you can do so. Definitely you can accumulate something, but it is still pretty scary to do so right now, in my opinion, because we are going to create big bearish divergences once we're sitting at top side. Is the risk to reward worth it to accumulate it right here? In my approach, no. Have I been warning you guys once we're sitting on the 87 cents here? Yes, we did, exactly on a special dedicated video. But we did warn you over there, because here it was a good buying opportunity, but I will be not saying right here it's a good buying opportunity for you guys, because yeah, I would rather invest in some different assets right now. If you really want to be making big gains here, I will be later today uploading as well, or tomorrow or later today I will be uploading also another video about my top picks here for the month here. Feta and FetaFew are definitely, I will be spoiling this one, are definitely two of my top 5 picks here. Feta and FetaFew here, definitely very exciting. The Feta mainnet getting launched here. There will be a huge hype run up here, and FetaFew will be definitely benefiting from it as well here. Make sure to invest in coins that are going to give you more rewards. In my opinion, that's a better strategy, of course, to do so. And FetaFew is definitely one of them that you don't want to be missing out on here. Definitely don't want to be missing out. Did you already discuss Xrp? Yes, on minute 20. XRP is pumping, question mark. I mean, yeah, it's been going up here, but we already discussed XRP earlier in the stream. Don't want to be going over every single thing several times here. But Bitcoin is also moving up a little bit here. And yeah, Medic, it's just not the best opportunity, but Feta is definitely looking extremely good here. I think you can be rather investing in Feta if you want to be making higher returns, in my opinion. Should I sell my Ethereum? I mean, of course, you can do whatever you want, but I think, why should you sell right now? It doesn't make any sense for me, at least. The only thing that I'm looking to do right now is buying, not selling. Are you accumulating DOT? Have not accumulated this drop-off yet. I've not accumulated this drop-off yet here, but I know it has been a very significant drop-off as well for Polkadot. Really maybe have to accumulate something because, right, well, I can still accumulate some DOT indeed. But I have been really looking into different projects, and I've not really been accumulating Polkadot here, but I can definitely maybe do so as well here. I know DOT is a good asset, especially for the long run as well, with the ecosystem, of course. Polkadot is definitely not a bad coin here, but of course, the charts, is it looking good here? I mean, you are creating a continuation pattern after this significant drop-off. This is, of course, a huge bearish signal that we are getting here. Symmetrical triangle continuation pattern getting formed after a move towards the downside. This can be pushing down prices. Of course, if we're going to see a breakout, it will be moving up here. This can be pushing price towards the $9, or it can be pushing up the price towards the $34. Let's see which direction it will be going towards. But of course, I really have to be looking into DOT as well here. I know it's a very good asset here. Only it's right in trading on key support on the DOT compared to Bitcoin chart as well here. Let me remove these lines here. So yeah, I can definitely do so right now. I don't think it's a bad time to accumulate something at, because I've been always saying to you guys, once the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin is trading on this gray box, this is accumulation for me. This is accumulation levels for me. I think, yeah, right now you can be definitely accumulating some Polkadot because this is providing me the opportunity on the BTC pair as well. And it's pretty undervalued on the US dollar pair. So, yeah, I do think it's a good time to accumulate some DOT. Never bad. As well, creating a bullish divergence over here. We can be looking for potential higher prices. So, yeah, Polkadot definitely not a bad asset to accumulate right now. But Bitcoin is moving up here. Bitcoin is finding its way up right now, guys. This is lovely to see here. Let me know. Make some noise for all the Bitcoin holders. Guys, we just closed the one hourly candle, by the way, here. Just closed the 1 hourly candle, and the next one right away pumps towards the upside. And everyone's saying Bitcoin pumping in the chat here. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button for good faith in Bitcoin, guys. We are right now only 2 likes away before reaching the 400 likes here. And as well, guys, we are only 18 subscribers away before reaching the 48.5k here. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to right now smash up that like button. Make sure to smash up that subscriber button as well here. Would be amazing. Because, guys, if Bitcoin can close this 1 hourly candle above this resistance line over here, this can be potentially a very good sign for Bitcoin that we can be maybe going towards higher targets around T. Let me right away measure this for you guys. That we can be going for higher targets potentially around the 40k here. This is looking like a very good structure, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do, guys. This looks extremely good for Bitcoin. I see right away you guys smashing up the likes buttons. We already reached 450, and literally 70 of you guys smashed it up like crazy. Guys, absolutely for good faith, everyone is smashing it up here. Let's see if we can hopefully close this for a 1 hourly candle above this resistance line. If we can do so, of course, guys, we are, of course, also confirming a breakout for the Bitcoin 1 hour. And, guys, as well, guys, oh my gosh, we're extremely close with reaching the 48.5k here. Only 5 subscribers away, guys. We are extremely close here right now. I can't wait to see once we are going to reach it. Hopefully, we can do it today. Guys, thank you so much already for smashing it up here. You guys are the best. You guys are lovely. And right now even 2 subscribers. Guys, you are absolutely smashing it up just like always. You guys are absolutely smashing it up just like always. Thank you so much for already smashing it up so significantly, guys. But yeah, Bitcoin, of course, showing the volatility. Of course, right now we still have to wait another 52 minutes before closing this 1 hourly candle. If we're going to close the 1 hourly candle, this will be very good. And as well for the Ethereum pair, we are just creating more volatility. Ethereum is already in free area. Ethereum already broke out here. And yeah, hopefully we can be seeing more volatility getting created on Ethereum, of course. I definitely anticipate more volatility getting created for Ethereum, to be very honest. So, guys, this is pretty funny. We are having 498 likes and also 498 subs. So this is pretty exciting. And we just smashed through the 48.5k, guys. Thank you so much here. We reached it. Thank you so much for smashing it up here. Definitely all the people that are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. You're definitely not going to regret it subscribing to the channel, because we are absolutely going to crush it. Like done, dude. Thank you so much, Ryan. Thank you so much, Ryan. Yeah, pump. Indeed. 1 hourly candle means at 1300. The 1 hourly candle is just. if I'm talking about 1 hourly candles, it means that every single candle represents 1 hour. If I'm talking about 4 hourly candles, every candle represents 4 hours. And you can see also over here the watermark, 4 hour, and right now it's saying 1 hour, you know? So that's, of course, if you're new to TradingView, that's basically how it works. End of the week, 50k subs. Would be amazing if we can reach it, Melvin. Let me see. Let's go to the moon again. Yeah, definitely, man. I mean, no one will be expecting the moon, but we are going to touch it all together with the community. We're going to touch it all together with the community. Little Bitcoin pump here. Yeah, I mean, it's of course beautiful to see. I mean, guys, wait till the real pump comes here. And of course, I mean, yeah, we can still create a wick on the top side. We can still get rejected from this line here. So don't party too early. I do want to be seeing, of course, the 1 hourly close above this line. And I can be maybe potentially taking a long trade over here. I can potentially take a long trade. I rather would wait for... This is, of course, a 1 hourly trade, 1 hourly candle trade here. I will be probably not taking this one on the 1 hour because I will be waiting. I set some initial aside here for my swing trade because I will be accumulating a swing trade towards the upside for Bitcoin because I will be prepared for this next euphoria run up. And of course, I will be taking the swing trade if I'm going to see a breakout on the 4 hourly symmetrical triangle towards the upside. I will be not trading short here, but guys, if I will be seeing a breakout, I will be keeping you guys up to date, but it will be, of course, an extreme exciting trade here that I'm going to do here. So, yeah, I mean, I already can't wait to see, when we can be opening this trade. Of course, I will be showing everything that I will be doing. I will be probably taking this trade with maybe 0.8 BTC or so, or 0.7 BTC. We'll be taking it with that. I will be trying to maybe make some good gains from it. So, of course, guys, you can keep your eyes out on the channel. You can be ringing the bell notification if you're not willing to miss out on it. And, of course, swing trades. I will be never going all in on one position. I will be opening the trade with maybe 25 or 30% of my initial. After seeing this retest, of course, and we're correcting lower, I will be adding more. If we're correcting lower, I will be adding more. If we're correcting lower, I will be adding more and more and more. That is just how you want to be swing trading. Of course, if we're going to continue and then see a retracement towards a critical level support, I will be adding over there and to push up my entry price. So that's basically how I swing trade. If you want to be joining me, you can be already signing up with Bybit in the link description. Will be amazing if you're doing so, of course, because you're getting a 2,000. You're getting a $2,610 deposit bonus, and as well what you can get here, and as well you're supporting the channel a little bit here. So it will be amazing if, of course, signing up with the Bybit link in the description. We'll be, of course, very excited because the trades will be insane, guys. The trades will be insane, and of course the potential rewards, especially, will be very high here as well. If we're going to see a new all-time high. I mean, it's right now worth to swing trade. I mean, I don't always say you want to be swing trading because it's not always worth it. But right now with the funding rate sitting so low here, I would definitely say it's worth to swing trade. How to leverage short Bitcoin? You just sign up with Bybit and you can see it over there. I can be maybe making an explanation video about it, and of course, if I'm taking a trade, I will be explaining how to do so as well. So let's see. This looks good. It's Moon Day. It's not Monday. It's Moon Day. I mean, yeah, guys, it's already performing. Bitcoin is really crushing the volatile, guys. It's looking particularly good here right now. Can't wait to see where Bitcoin is going to end, of course. When you're in a trade, should you close once it's overbought? It really depends on what kind of trade you're doing, man. If you're scalp trading, for sure. But for me, as a swing trader, no, not necessarily. Moon Day, haha, good one. Indeed, that's a good day. A good one. Indeed, a good one. Is this a horse race? Why are you talking so quickly? I mean, sorry, I'm trying to slow down several times here, but it's just sometimes too exciting, of course, and that's the reason why I'm talking so quickly. So, yeah, very exciting. Yo, Rover, where can you be buying Feta? You can go to markets here on CoinMarketCap here, and you can see Binance. You can be buying it. Yeah, you can just buy it on Binance. Binance also link in the description if you want to be signing up here. How's the volume looking? Volume is way lower than usual right now, Miller. The reason why the volume is way lower than usual is because, of course, of the National Day here in America. That's the reason why we also still want to be careful with trading right now. You can see, of course, the weekend already the volume dropped a little bit here. But today, I think the volume will be still be pretty low here. But tomorrow will be the most exciting day here. Of course, I was not first aware of this National Day here, but especially this right now in a holiday or so. So yeah, there will be still not a lot of trading going around today. Tomorrow will be the extreme day of the volatility, in my opinion. Of course, right now we are already seeing a push towards the upside getting created, of course, because it's only in America. Yeah, of course, Asia, etc. They are still buying. But yeah, there will be definitely, tomorrow will be really the day of a lot of volume. And of course, guys, tomorrow I will be live for sure. I will be probably I will be trying to be the most time. Yeah, I will be trying to be live as much as possible, of course, to help you guys through the market. Of course, discuss the market as we are going higher. Discuss the bears to still buy their Bitcoin, because they still can do right now. And of course, very exciting, of course, what we are having. And I mean, yeah, I've been saying this several times here. I'm so excited. I'm so bullish because everyone is bearish, and not everyone likes me to say this. Not everyone likes me to be bullish on the market, but I don't care here, because I'm here to make gains here. I don't care if you don't like me or not. I'm here only to care for the community. So yeah, don't be a subscriber on the channel if you don't like my thoughts, right? So yeah, Bitcoin, of course, we will be trying to be alive as much as possible. But right now, Bitcoin, of course, closing almost above the inverse, and it shows one hourly candle, about to head towards the 37K here, guys. If we can close this one hourly candle above this line here, we'll be looking for a retest maybe on the one hourly candle as well here. It won't be bad if we're going to have a retest of the one hourly candle. That will be actually your accumulation and of course your entry price if you're willing to trade here. But definitely very exciting what we can see for Bitcoin right now. Let me see. Let me see. I should taste my tears. I would never say use big leverage. I'm also going to trade all together. I'm using a 5 to 10x to swing trade, and I will be also attaching my strategy, because strategy with trading is very important, especially if you're a swing trader. You want to be having a good exit strategy, and of course also a good accumulation strategy, because yeah, getting an entry is one thing, but exiting the market is the second thing, and that's of course a thing that we will be helping you guys through all together. And greed is a very important factor to look at. Greed is extremely important to don't get sucked up in it, because that is the most amount of failure while trading, while leverage trading, is greed. Greed is the most failure. I mean, people are getting too greedy once trading. They're seeing high digits. They're making insane money, but sometimes you just have to take 20% profit, or you just have to take 40% profit and just send it to your ledger or whatever. It's important to do so. I always have a certain amount that I want to be trading with, and I always, if I'm making good profits, send it back. Always. I don't want to become too greedy. That's the biggest mistake. Not you. You're cool, Rover. Oh, thank you, man. Taste my tears. Did you already enter the trade? I mean, original sounds here. I was planning to enter a trade here on my Ethereum match, on Ethereum call here. Unfortunately, I did not, because it's against my. I mean, I don't want to be trading a lot on the 1 hour, because I'm willing to. I mean, I was giving this setup here. I wish I took it, of course, always in hindsight, but I didn't, because it's today a national day. The volume is lower, and it's still too risky in my approach to trade today. So that's of course why I will be doing it tomorrow as well. And of course, I will be definitely opening a trade once seeing the breakout of the 4 hourly candle, a 4 hourly symmetrical triangle. I will be trading the bigger time frame. Of course, I can be trading the 1 hour time frame, and I could have already made 4.5% increase with maybe a 10x leverage. But the fact here is that I'm willing to do the 4 hour. I'm only willing to trade the 4 hour daily candles, because I have more time to anticipate, and as well, it's probably going to show me more significance. And you want to be, of course, managing a risk. And of course, if I'm talking about risk management, I think the 1 hourly is too high for risk to trade on Bitcoin, because the times that we are right now trading on is highly volatile. But of course, because I saw this pattern playing out here, I was definitely sharing this with you guys. I was raising the awareness on the channel. I was uploading this video here on the channel, exactly telling you guys what we are currently seeing on the pair of Ethereum compared to US dollar, and of course that we can be potentially seeing this this price target around to $2,750. So yeah, extremely exciting. Rover, keep it up, man. Thank you so much, Christopher. Absolutely exciting. Absolutely exciting. I bought an S-Class and one Ethereum was on 4K. I mean, you're crushing it, bro. You are crushing it. You are crushing it. I don't like to sell crypto for cars or so. I mean, I love cars, but I still think cars are not a good investment. I'm more the type of guy that is too greedy and always want to be making more. Not like in the immediate short term, but I like to invest my money into safer assets, to still let the money do the work instead of buying very nice things. I mean, I'm 20 years old. I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm 20 years old, but I want to be thinking of the future. I mean, I want to be thinking on the bright days, you know. I can be enjoying life right now, or I can be enjoying everything once I'm 22 or 24, you know. So that's exactly the point that I want to be doing here as well for everyone. I mean, if you're young as well, I don't know exactly if everyone is extremely young right now who's watching, but I mean, for everyone who's young, I mean, you can rather invest. Can be rather investing than spending in my approach. That's at least my strategy I'm using. What's your opinion about ADA today? It's looking strong. We've been already discussing ADA. It's been moving up a little bit here, but still we'll be looking at the symmetrical triangle. Do want to be seeing, of course, the breakout through the top line of resistance. Buy silver and gold. I mean, the factors, indeed, if you're having a big portfolio, the best thing that you can do, I mean, I'm completely I love crypto, but of course the diversified portfolio is very important. You also want to be maybe holding some Bitcoin, some gold and silver, some classic stocks, some good companies that you believe in, maybe the S&P 500. Of course, they are very boring, but it's important because of, let's say Bitcoin, you were seeing this crash. You want to be having some money aside to accumulate some more Bitcoin, right? So you can be sending maybe some gold or maybe some silver. And I think silver is a very good investment if we're talking about 10 years, by the way, guys. I mean, of course, Bitcoin is a better investment. But of course, to have a diversified portfolio, silver is indeed not a bad investment at all, in my opinion. Right now, it's looking extremely, extremely good here. I wish I was you. I'm 53. I mean, guys, it doesn't matter how old you are. I mean, you're at least exposed to crypto. It doesn't matter how old you are. You're at least exposed to crypto, right? I'm 35. Nice. I feel old. Maybe I feel a little bit too young right now. Let me see. Rich parents, I think. No, man. I can tell you a life story. I mean, I'm not going to say I came from nowhere because, yeah, I mean, I did not had a bad life once I grew up, of course. But I used to work very hard for everything, and I was always investing in crypto. And everyone was calling me crazy. But I literally was going to school and worked approximately 30 to 40 hours a week. I was literally so busy, and 60 to 70% of my income always invested in Bitcoin and crypto and Cardano, etc. And it's been playing off very good here, and as well as starting sharing my thoughts on YouTube. So yeah, it's extremely exciting, and of course, with trading as well going very well. Yeah, it's very exciting to do so. Very exciting, and of course, for everyone who is right now watching, you're having these same opportunities. It's not that the opportunities for me or for someone else are different. We all have the same opportunity, and the lovely part about crypto here, especially, is we can gain all together. We can gain together. We can work together. There's no point on working against to you, right? So of course, that's the reason why we are right now staying realistic on the market, and why we are right now, of course, accumulating where people are selling. Once there's blood in the street, you want to be accumulating. There's so much blood in the street. There's so much fear, and I love it. Truly, I'm laughing the whole night. I'm laying in bed. I'm thinking, oh, I mean, just think twice. There are some people right now selling. I don't get it. Maybe people bought the 50 or 60k top and they are right now selling because they think it will be going lower, and they say, oh, I'm going to buy back cheaper. But that is just not how it works. Let me see. Let me see. Please don't spam in the chat here. If you're spamming in the chat, you will be getting blocked. Let me see. Should I buy Bitcoin right now, sir? Please help me. I mean, I can never give you financial advice here, but one thing that I can say here is, in my opinion, the best strategy that you can be utilizing right now is just dollar cost average in the market. If you're not accumulating Bitcoin for below the 40k, you're going to miss out on very high potential rewards. But of course, if you're going all in right now and you can't accumulating the next drop off, you're also going to get wrecked, right? So yeah, definitely buy some right now, in my opinion. Sherry with 3 rocket ships. Keep it up the good work. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Bad boy sold all his crypto. Sold all his altcoins. I don't care. I mean, this is I see a lot of things. The king here. I get a lot of messages as well on Telegram talking about that other YouTubers are saying that they're selling everything. But that is just the exact reason why I'm bullish. That's the exact reason why I am bullish. this is once again the confirmation of the fear, and I know BitBoy has of course the largest cryptocurrency channel here, and of course I'm absolutely not going to blame him. He's an absolute legend, of course. But I mean, I should definitely do your own research before listening to someone. Also, don't listen to me. Do your own research. I'm just sharing my own opinion on the market. But once, guys, also in previous bull runs in 2017, once everyone is on YouTube, even people that are not into crypto, even people that are not making financial videos, are making videos, I sold all my Bitcoins. Guys, this is the fear that they want to be creating. This is the exact fear that the whales want. They are, of course, laughing right now. They are laughing. But once everyone is saying, making these videos, this is the end, etc., etc., this is then not the end. Because once the bull market is ending, no one will be expecting it. And I mean, yeah, it's definitely, you're definitely on the wrong side. And the fact here is, we're seeing the shakeout, we're going to recover. The next time we are going to see the shakeout, it can be possible, it will be possible the end, but no one will be knowing that it is the end, right? So, I mean, this is definitely not the end. And because they are making these videos about I sold everything, etc., it's just making me exciting. It's just making me exciting because not everyone can become crypto rich here. Only a few % of the market can become extremely rich with crypto. A lot of people lose their money because they have paper hands, and of course, only the diamond hands will be making money. And yeah, you know from history, the holders tend to get the richest because they are not trying to time the market, right? So let's see. Hey man, Gavin Jones, absolutely cool that you're tuning in here. Absolutely cool that you're tuning in here. 24 minutes. Yeah, of course. We checked XRP, indeed. 24 minutes. Buy, hold, accumulate, indeed. Indeed. Guys, let me look at the Chainlink for a second for you guys. But it's nice time talking with you guys once again here. I love these talking times with you guys. I truly love it. Of course, talking about Bitcoin is most the favorite thing that I do here on the channel. Favorite thing I do in my life. I mean, so yeah, Chainlink, of course, looking good here. Higher highs getting formed here, higher lows as well getting formed here. Beautiful to see. As well, getting a perfect touch here on the 0.236 here. As well, you've been looking at this blue box of support. Let me remove all the drawings here real quickly. And you can see over here on the 4 hourly candles, guys, we're starting a beautiful uptrend right here. This is definitely no reason for me to be panicking for Chainlink. But of course, you can see over here, we are also forming this very critical downward slope resist line with several touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points over here. And as well, 1, 2, 3 touch points on the lower side. So yeah, Chainlink, of course, starting an uptrend right now, but also running into critical levels of resistance. This will be a really decision time for Chainlink. And if you look to the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin pair, we can be potentially looking for maybe a falling wedge here, what already broke out, of course. And this falling wedge can be maybe also searching up the price, maybe towards these levels around the, let me see how much percentage increasement it will be. It will be maybe another 13% increasement towards the upside. So that's, of course, exciting. Can be also helping to push the price up towards the resistance line here. But in general, I don't want to be seeing this breakthrough, because if we can't see this breakthrough here, this will be quite bearish. And as well, guys, if I extend this level here, you can see this blue box, support, resistance, resistance, support, 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 resistance. And right now, of course, we have to be breaking through this level once again here. So yeah, this will be a major level around the 30 towards 31 US dollars to break through, or for Chainlink, because yeah, we've been getting rejected several times from this level, and I just want to be seeing, of course, this breakthrough getting formed there. As well, on the 4 hourly candles, we can be looking for potential W structure getting formed here. Look at this here. You can see probably if I look to the 1 hour, it's even better here. You can see over here a horizontal level of support, horizontal level of resistance getting formed over here. And let me do this here. So you can as well see over here, guys, and W right now getting formed here. And of course, this W can be pushing up the price as well very significantly towards the upside. Once again, for the price action of Chainlink with another approximate 16% towards the upside, and also confirming the breakout. So yeah, it doesn't look that bearish in my opinion. It looks to be forming in W. Beautiful to see, of course. Chainlink can be hiding for higher prices. Chainlink, never a bad asset to accumulate in my opinion, of course. So yeah, it looks exciting. Can't wait to see where it's heading towards, especially because, yeah, it's all because of Bitcoin, guys. In the end of the day, we have to look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going to increase, yeah, we can be bullish on all these coins, of course. If Bitcoin is just going to increase, we can be bullish on more coins here. So yeah, that's the reason why I do feel excited about it as well for Bitcoin. I mean, guys, we're still going to look for a W recovery for Bitcoin. Still going to look for the W recovery for Ethereum. Guys, make sure to be prepared. Make sure to put on the seatbelts, because it's going to be a hell of a ride, guys. Absolutely exciting, and we are still standing on the early stages. Can't wait to see what it's going to develop like. So yeah, 36.7k here, 31 minutes before closing the 1 hourly candle. Want to be seeing really the breakthrough here for Bitcoin confirmation. After this, we can be looking for a retest here. It will be quite a bullish thing here to accumulate some positions. So yeah, can't wait to see what we're going to do, guys. And if you don't want to be missing out on this one, make sure to right away sign up. Sign up. Make sure to right away smash up that subscribe button. It would be amazing, guys. We're very close already with reaching the 48.6k because you guys are absolutely smashing it up here. And also only 7 likes away before reaching the 600 likes, guys. Dan, our savior, indeed. You don't think it's a trap? No, it's definitely not a trap. I mean, so much people in fair is just providing me, opportunity to buy. Could this be a trap? Of course. I mean, of course, everything can be a trap, but no, the likelihood of breaking towards the upside is higher. Because we're seeing clear reversal structures getting formed on the Bitcoin and Ethereum pair. It's more likely to not see this reversal. It's not a bull trap. It's a bear trap that we are getting. I mean, there's definitely if you're I mean, of course there will be always bulls and bears in the market, and not everyone can have the same thoughts. That's correct here, but there will be only one way that we're going to break through. And I mean, for me, it will be leading which way we are going to break through in terms of the oh, my connection is gone. My connection is back here. Sorry, the connection fell away for a few seconds here. Hopefully still everything is doing good here, but guys, sorry for the connection falling away for a second here. But I mean, really what's leading for me is, of course, the breakout for the symmetrical triangle. I want to be seeing a breakout towards the upside to long. To short, you want to see a breakout towards the downside. But, of course, I will be only trading long here with you guys. So, yeah, I see my internet connection is falling away a little bit here. Maybe they're doing something here. I don't know exactly. Okay, check your Insta, of course. We'll be checking my Instagram after this. I have a little bit of a meeting on 1 o'clock, so in exactly, for me, 30 minutes, I have a meeting. So I can't, I have to wrap up the stream anytime soon here, unfortunately. But definitely, if you want to be following me as well here on Instagram, you can do so to stay in contact with me at CryptoRoverYT. Make sure to check it. Did you invest in BitConnect? No, I didn't. June is altcoin season. Let's hope so. Let's hope so. It's all right. Okay, that's nice. Should I sell or hold Bitcoin? I can't give you any financial advice here, but the only thing that I can say here is, in my opinion, it's just my own opinion, because I can't give any financial advice here. It's not smart to sell here. It's not smart to sell, in my opinion. Hold, indeed. Hold. Everyone's saying in the chat here. So let's see. Do you want to hear the trick that the big institutions use if you have bought expensive, sell in minus and buy back directly, then they losses? I don't know exactly what you mean with that. Something with the taxes. I don't know. I have not heard about that strategy, my friend. The connection looks good. That's nice. Only sell for taxes. I mean, don't know, man. Hold. Yeah, hold the line, guys. Hold the line. We will be holding the line strong here. Can't find the US app that sells stat rip. I don't know exactly if Gate.io is an US app here, but you can see over here, these are all the exchanges where you can be buying FetaView or Theta. I mean, yeah, I think Theta is definitely very important asset to hold here for the coming months especially. So yeah, make sure, yeah, to remember the channel, right? Because yeah, it will be absolutely exploding, and you heard it here first. And probably always once something is successful, people will be probably stealing it here on the internet. But I mean, it doesn't matter. But yeah, you heard it first here, because I mean, mainnet is getting launched here. I did my research on it. You want to be prepared. It is absolutely going to skyrocket. Can't wait to see where it's heading towards, of course. Let me see. Buy high, sell low. That's not the strategy that I'm trying to use, at least. Let me see. So yeah, I mean, guys, please don't ask me questions. Should I sell or should I buy? I mean, you already know my thoughts. It's not getting much lower than here, and the potential upside is way higher than the potential downside from here on. So yeah. Are you CryptoRoverYT on Instagram? Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is my Instagram. There are a lot of fake Instagram accounts, guys, so please be careful. But only CryptoRoverYT is the real one. So this is the real one on Instagram. So yeah, make sure to don't fall for the fake ones. The real one, you can see I have these stories over here, and of course you can also see the real one. I post the story, and guys, also if you haven't already checked it, I did some story time over here. I will be doing this more frequently because you guys seem to love it. But I was talking about some stuff about Bitcoin, so make sure to check my Instagram as well here if you want to be staying up to date about the market. Definitely worth to do so. But guys, unfortunately, I will be wrapping up the stream right now here. The reason why here is because I have to head out for a meeting here. Later today or tomorrow, I will be uploading my video about my top 5 picks here for the coming month of June. I already spoiled 2 of them. I told you guys which one will be it. Of course, don't forget to check out the previous video that we uploaded about the Ethereum price action. Definitely worth to check out, because in that video we exactly predicted what Ethereum is right now about to do here and what it can be doing here for the coming hours. So if you haven't already checked that one, make sure to do so. As well for Bitcoin, we explained our thoughts about it. And of course, guys, thank you so much for watching once again here. We are only 15 subscribers away before reaching the 48.6k here. It will be amazing if we can see you guys tomorrow back in a new stream here on the channel. But I mean, guys, it was absolutely amazing stream once again today here. Of course, we will be looking for a lot of volatility this week here, so make sure to be prepared. Don't miss out on this insane weekend that we are about to get here, guys. It was an extremely exciting day once again here today. But guys, I have to head out here, so make sure to stay calm here, and peace out. Goodbye.